how to remove friends on Discord. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Discord application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now go to the Messages tab from the top left of your screen and you will see the list of your friends. Scroll through and find the person that you want to remove and tap on their name. Further, tap on their name on top of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for profile, tap on that, and then you will see the person with tick mark icon right beside the three dots. Tap on that, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on remove friend, and with this, the friend will be removed. So this is how you can remove friends on Discord. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.